Hello, did you know that the web turned 30 this year? Have you ever wished you knew how to create a web page? The web is at the heart of the digital world, so one thing's for sure. If you knew how to create web pages, you would have a better appreciation of the possibilities of digital technology. What if all students had the opportunity to learn how to build web pages? Can you imagine the impact this would have on a country's future? Unfortunately, web page building is not part of the school curriculum. Furthermore, the tools in the market for building web pages are targeted at professionals and are beyond the reach of students. My name is Edward Chin, and I would like to present to you a web application that I invented that can help students learn how to build web pages in a simple, affordable, and fun way. I first thought of the idea 16 years ago, but only managed to find the time to build it during the COVID-19 lockdown. It is called Peti Peti, and you will soon find out why.
Let me show you how Peti Peti works and highlight 6 unique features. Number 1. PetiPeti.com has been live for more than a year and is available 24/7. To use Peti Peti, all you need is a browser, internet access, and email account. There's no need to download any app or set up a web server or register a domain name, and no programming knowledge is required. Number 2. This is the biggest unique feature. Everything in Peti Peti is done in boxes, hence its name. Let me show you what I mean. I imagine that I'm a student and I'm going to build a web page to record what I learned last week. I launch PetiPeti.com and click Go Build a Web Page. Every action in Peti Peti starts by selecting a box. I select the main box to change the title. Notice the menu that pops up next to it. It gives me access to dozens of functions to manipulate and change the boxes. I click Text and Links to edit the title. There are some empty predefined boxes. I select the first box and type in signs. I create a box inside it and copy and paste the address of an image from the internet. I create another box alongside the new box and write some words about photosynthesis. I repeat for maths, history, and geography. I will now delete the empty boxes and change the layout. I'll now change the font, color, and borders by clicking the menu and the appropriate options. Finally, I want to add some animation. It's quite straightforward. I select a box, click Set Animation, and click the one I like. Animation is the third unique feature of Peti Peti. It brings the web page to life and is the favorite feature of most students that I've shown Peti Peti to. As you can see, within minutes we have created a web page. All I did was put information into the boxes and change the style and layout. By the way, notice that the information is stored in layers of boxes. You click on a box and more boxes within it are revealed. In this way, the reader is not overwhelmed. They can digest information at a high level and then click to get to the next level of detail when they are ready. Notice also that the page is web responsive. When I view it on a mobile, it adjusts automatically to fit the screen. Let's save the web page that I've just created. Here's the fourth unique feature of Peti Peti. You click Save and you get a link to your web page which you can share with others. As simple as that. The fifth unique feature of Peti Peti is that you can use it to create almost any type of document as a web page, not just websites. Here are some examples. This is the BBC website rebuilt in Peti Peti. And this is the menu in a Japanese restaurant. And these are my lecture notes, which I actually use in class and share with my students. Which brings me to the sixth unique feature. You see the items in yellow? These are comments inserted directly by the students into the web page. There are more examples in the template gallery. As you can see, the possibilities are endless, and you get to learn how to link to resources in the internet and lay them out in creative ways to suit the audience. Where do we go from here? Last year, we took part in a national ICT competition called APICTA and won a merit award in the education sector. The focus this year is on pilots. We are running a Peti Peti pilot in a school in Klang as a co-curriculum activity from September to December this year for 20 students. Our strategy is to spread the news through successful pilots and to train interested teachers to guide the students. How much will it cost to use Peti Peti? We want to keep it below the price of a Big Mac per annum. We hope most students will find that affordable. There are some how-to videos on YouTube, but we'll be doing more. Lastly, let me show you a new feature that we recently added to Peti Peti to make learning fun. It's the picture puzzle. It was launched in mid-August and attracted more than 2,000 users from 100 countries within the first 2 weeks. Remember the web page I created just now? I can easily connect it to the puzzle, and you can now test yourself on what you learned last week. To summarize, my hope is that Peti Peti will inspire educators to teach students web page building skills and foster a new generation of digital savvy Malaysians who can go out and make a difference in the digital world. Let's work towards a vision of every student becoming a web page builder by age 15. Thank you.